For more than 30 years, Britax has been synonymous with car seat safety throughout the world. Our commitment to improving child safety through research, testing, design, and community advocacy is unparalleled. In making car seats, Britax thinks about the unthinkable so you don't have to. This includes researching the devastating consequences of side impact collisions, the most severe of crashes, and designing car seats that best protect your child in these potentially fatal collisions. The reason for focusing on the consequences of side impact collisions is simple. There is nothing more important to Britax than your child's safety.
Car accidents are the #1 killer of American children. And it's indisputable that of all collisions, side impact crashes pose the most frequent and severe threat to child safety. According to a research study by the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, 1 in 4 of all motor vehicle crashes is a side impact crash. And side impact accidents result in more critical injuries and a higher fatality rate than front or rear crashes.
This is the reason Britax pioneered side impact protection for child seats in the U.S.
Let's look at what happens in a side impact crash and why it's so severe.
Then we'll show you the best protection for children in a side impact crash. When a car is involved in an accident, there are 2 sources of injury to the occupants. First, contact with any intruding objects, such as the vehicle door interior, glass, or metal shards. And second, the acceleration of the body as the car comes to a sudden halt.
Now, when a car is hit from the front and a child is properly secured in a car seat in the back, risk from intruding objects is minimized. The front of the vehicle and the vehicle frame create a crumple zone between intruding objects and the child.
When a car is hit from the side, however, this crumple zone is eliminated, making intruding objects dangerous and often resulting in more severe injuries.
This makes protecting the child's vulnerable head and chest vital during a side impact crash. The chest protects the organs, and during a side impact crash, the shoulders are likely to be the first point of contact with intruding objects, jolting the chest. The rigid barrier of the car seat shell protects the child's head and torso.
Now, energy in motion cannot be destroyed, but it can be transferred from one object to another. The key to minimizing the risk of serious injury during a side impact crash is to transfer energy away from the child to something else. For this energy transfer to happen in a side impact crash, the car seat shell should be lined with energy-absorbing material.
In addition, the car seat should restrain the child so that in a crash, the seat and the child will slow down with the car.
A car seat with a 5-point harness to prevent a child's head from moving forward and with close-fitting sides that minimize lateral motion offers great protection. If a child is properly restrained, the body will slow down when the vehicle slows after impact, minimizing the G-forces the child absorbs and lowering the risk of severe injury.
Understanding the potential severity of injuries from side impact crashes, Britax built side impact protection into all of its car seats.
Britax has created a rigorous testing regime that simulates side impact crashes based on proven European test methods. Britax car seats are evaluated on how well they contain the head and minimize head, chest, and pelvis acceleration.
The result of Britax's side impact crash testing is a combination of design features that best protect a child during a side impact collision. Britax calls this combination of design features true side impact protection.
Britax car seats with true side impact protection include these features. First, an energy-absorbing foam liner over a stiff structure to distribute crash forces. Second, side walls that shield the child from vehicle intrusion. Third, deep head wings and side wings for head and chest containment. And fourth,
and adjustable head support to minimize side-to-side head movement during a crash. The adjustable head support literally trues the head, meaning it keeps the head, neck, and spine aligned to limit injury. Britax believes it offers parents the safest car seats on the market throughout each stage of a child's development. We design our car seats to exceed the safety standards set by the federal government. We continually enhance our products with energy management features, such as our patented Versa Tether with crash indicator that reduces seat movement, our Hugs pads that reduce the movement of the child, and our convertible car seat bases that crumple in a crash to distribute forces away from the child. And we test our products both in our crash test facilities and through independent parties. Britax is proud of its industry leadership on true side impact protection, which has been part of our brand since 2002. We are committed to the continued evolution of this proprietary technology. Please remember that the safest car seat is the one that fits your child properly, fits your vehicle, and is used properly each and every time. Britax, safe for a reason.